Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 and I'm gonna show you how to start a workout on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the lower button right here to open the activity menu. So let's press it again, like this. And here we have the activity menu. We can scroll through the list, look for the workout we want to start. For example, let's say a hike, and then tap on it. Here you have the tutorial how to position the watch correctly on your wrist to make it more accurate. And now the watch will start searching for the GPS location. It won't find it for me because the GPS won't reach here, but if it does find your location, you can tap on go. Workout started. And you will hear the message or broadcast saying workout started, and as you can see, it is going. And during the workout you can do a couple of things. You can scroll through the data pages by swiping up and down on the screen, and you have different stuff. As you can see, we have the altitude, we have the coordinates, we have the compass, the aerobic and anaerobic work stages. Okay. We can measure the blood oxygen, and you can also check out the maps. But as you can see, there's no GPS, so it won't show it to us. Also, what you can do is to swipe left or right on the screen to view different pages like metronome, or the music menu. And here you can basically control the music playback on your watch or the phone. On the watch you have a couple songs. I believe you can copy more, but I'm not quite sure you can. And you can basically pause, play, you can move left and right, of course. So previous song, next song, you can change the volume of the music by swiping on the slider. And here we can pair devices like headphones and stuff like that, so you can tap on pair the headphones, and right here and on this music icon, I believe this is the playlist, or you can basically select the songs to play. Okay, like I said before, you can also change the device you control. So if you tap on local device here, you can select a phone that is paired with your watch, and then you can play some music on your phone and control it with your watch if you want. And if you want to pause the workout, you can press the crown button, and during the pause you can control the broadcast volume, so it's gonna be louder or quieter, because this one was too loud, so I have to lower it a bit. You have the resume button, stop button, and lock the screen button. Resume button, of course, resumes the workout, but you can also resume it by pressing the crown button. Stop button stops the workout completely, and then you have the option to save the workout or not, but that I will show it to you later. Another thing you can do during the workout is to press the lower button to scroll down. What if we press and hold it? Nothing, it just tries to open the voice assistant, so that's not gonna do it anything, because on some watches you can basically make a lap by pressing the lower button, but this one doesn't seem to work, so the lower button is only for scrolling down apparently. Okay, and like I said before, to stop the workout, you pause the workout, then tap on the stop button, and as you can see, I can confirm, and the workout was stopped rather. And that's how you start the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.